HardReset.info YT. In front of me I have Fossil Q Wonder, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with your phone. First, you will need to turn on your watch or wake up the screen on it. If you need to turn on the watch, press and hold the side button, and if you need to wake up the screen, press the side button, like this. Once you wake up the screen on your watch or turn it on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it, like this. Now we need to download and install the Wear OS application on our phone. To do it, open the App Store on your phone. In the App Store, tap on the search bar, type in Wear OS, and then tap on the search button to look for the app. And here we have it, this app right here, Wear OS by Google smartwatch. Select it, then tap on install button to download and install the application. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open it. In the application, you can tap on Start Setup, tap on Agree to agree to the terms of service. Right here you can agree to send the diagnostic data and reports to Google if you want to. If you want to send them, tap on I agree. If you don't, tap on No thanks. Now let's wait until our phone finds the watch. It should appear right here on this list. As you can see, here we have it, Q Wonder. Tap on the name of the watch to select it. Now tap on Pair. Here we can copy Google accounts from our phone to our watch if you want to. You can do it by basically selecting the account you want to copy, and if you have more than one account, you can basically enable or disable the account by tapping on the switch. And if you don't want to copy any accounts, you can just tap on skip right here and skip this step. But if you do want to copy some accounts, enable the account you want to copy, or accounts. You can do it. You can do it multiple if you want to. Then tap on next. Here tap on copy. If you have some protection on your phone, enter the password or PIN or button to confirm. Wait. Now we can connect our watch to Wi-Fi. So basically, if you tap on connect, the watch will connect to every Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to. So you can tap on connect if you want to connect your watch. If you don't want to connect your watch to Wi-Fi, tap on skip. I'm gonna tap on connect. Here we can basically allow the permissions for calls and messages and stuff like that to be able to use those features on our watch. And if you want to do it, tap on next and then allow some permissions. If you don't want to do it, tap on skip to keep it disabled. I'm gonna tap on next for the sake of the video, then tap on allow, 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 allow. You need to allow quite a few permissions for it to work. Next we have calendar, and again, if you don't want to use the calendar features on your watch, you can tap on skip to skip this step and keep the calendar, or keep the calendar feature disabled. But if you want to enable it, tap on next and allow the permission for calendar. And here we have the notifications. Basically we can enable the phone notifications. So if you want to get the notifications from your phone on your watch, you can tap on allow and allow the permission for the notifications. If you don't want to do it, tap on skip to skip it. I'm gonna tap on allow, then tap allow. As you can see, it says notifications enabled. Now we can tap on next and wait until the setup is finished. It might take some time, so let's wait. Now let's tap on done. And at this point you should see the device page for your Q1 there, and your watch should be ready to use. So you can wake up the screen on it. Here we have a little tutorial how to use it. So let's go through it. Like that. And once you're done, you should be able to use the watch normally. And that's how you pair your watch with this watch with your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.